Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to the Bitcoin update today. So Bitcoin is at 56,706. So we have an amazing progress at the moment. Ever since we touched 52,000, we've actually moved a little bit higher. Now of course this here, I don't think it's something that should really bother anyone, because of course when you do end up pumping like this, a little bit of that is pretty fine. It's not a big deal. Coming from here to here is not a very big deal. It actually does not mean, just because you drop doesn't mean you're going to dump. There's a very big difference between just a small correction and a big dump. So corrections are healthy, dumps are even healthier, of course, in the higher time frame. Now the thing is that what I see is probably different from you. You might think it's bad, but the reason why I say it's not is because this is actually not bad. It's actually excellent, because now that you have your little bit of resistance here and you've actually broken it out, what you did is you made the first retest, you made a double retest, you went up again. Everyone had their stop loss here, the stop loss is here, and they thought Bitcoin is ready to go up. So Bitcoin came down, took those stop losses, which actually gives me more confidence that we are about to actually push up. Stop loss there, stop loss here, stop loss here. I think the best stop loss, maybe on a small time frame, is actually going to be down at 54,908. Now the next thing is, of course, on the 4-hour time frame. So if you check the 4-hour time frame as well, number one is that Bitcoin is trying to make a bull cross right over here, okay? And the next thing is that the candles that are closing are amazing, right? So you do have a little bit of that pin bar, and you also have another doji. So on the 4-hour time frame, we're pretty good to start to go to the upside once again. 28 more minutes to close this candle, and we might actually start to see an amazing move back to the upside once again. So that's it for the video. Comment Discord if you're genuinely interested to get some free signals here and there, and I'm going to share you this the invitation link, and I'm going to see you the next one. Love, peace.